If you've been locked out of your Wise account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Wise login page. Before starting a recovery, use the shrug.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your email address. On the password recovery page, enter the email address associated with your Wise account. Make sure to double check for any typos before submitting. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from Wise. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Follow the reset link. Click on the link provided in the email. This will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirement. Step 5. Log in with new credentials. Once you have successfully reset your password, return to the login page and enter your email and new password. You should now have access to your account. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for further assistance.